So in today's video, we're going to discuss the simple basics of exporting a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. The most common thing people ask about in Premiere is exporting a video. Exporting in Premiere is a very simple process, but it only takes a few steps to do it. First, you'll need to make sure that you have selected the correct sequence that you are wanting to export. Then navigate to the File, and then go down to Export and Media. You can also use Control-M or Command-M for Macs. This will open the settings window, which you will be able to choose a number of different options. You can select your file name, the location where you want the video to be exported to. You can set what presets that you want to use, and there are a number of presets that work very well, and then the format that you wanted to use. Down in this area, you will see what the source video is that you are exporting, and on the right hand side you will see what the export settings are. Different platforms may require different settings for the best quality, and you can investigate those according to the platform you are uploading to. This would be a general export that would work well in most scenarios, and then you can either select Send to Media Encoder or Export. Sending to Media Encoder opens up another window for exporting media. If you're exporting a number of files at the same time, that is a great option to use, as you're able to queue those up, export them all at the same time. If you want to export immediately, you can just choose the export and it will begin to export. You will then find the file that you've exported in the location that you have selected.